Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by ensuring the surface will accept adhesive. Scrub tiles thoroughly with degreaser, then sand glossy finishes and remove dust. This increases mechanical grip. Once done, apply a bonding primer or specific tile primer in a small area and press a 4x4 wallpaper sample to confirm adhesion for 24 hours. If it peels, stop and change primer. Make sure to wear gloves and ventilate the room. Good prep prevents bubbles and early failure. You now measure across the tiles, accounting for grout lines and any outlets, then cut panels with a 1/4 overlap you'll trim later. Choose vinyl or moisture-resistant peel-and-stick wallpaper. They tolerate kitchen humidity. For paste-backed paper, apply adhesive to the wall or paper per manufacturer instructions. For self-adhesive, peel slowly. Once aligned, press from center outward with a plastic squeegee to force out air and paste. Make sure seams meet cleanly, and match pattern as you progress. You finish by trimming overlaps with a razor against a straight edge, cutting around outlets after switching power off, and tucking paper neatly into grout lines. Once trimmed, seal vulnerable edges, counter backsplashes or sink areas with a thin bead of clear silicone. This prevents moisture ingress. After installation, inspect for bubbles and seams. Small bubbles you can squeegee toward an edge, larger ones lift and reapply while adhesive is fresh. If adhesion fails repeatedly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.